Hi everyone, hope all of you are fine. My previous lecture was related to present tense. In this lesson, I will give a short introduction related to past tense. So let's have a look. In past tense, there are four tenses: past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous tense. I'm going to tell you about past indefinite tense. Past indefinite tense is used for the actions that started and finished in the past. उर्दू में इसकी पहचान ये है कि दे थे, था, थी, इस टाइप के सेंटेंसेस होते हैं। जैसे मैंने ये काम किया था, हम आए थे। For example, the action that started and finished in the past, you do work previously and you have finished, then you will tell it like this: I worked, right? This is past indefinite tense. I talked, I ran, we ran, you ran, he came, they came. In past indefinite tense, we will use second form of verb, simple. And helping verb is used with the negative and interrogative sentence, which is did. Clear? This is very simple. In past indefinite tense or past simple tense, we will use second form of verb, and helping verb is used with the negative and interrogative tense, which is sentences, which is did. Clear? For example, I worked all night. We did not waste our time. And one thing keep in your mind that in the negative sentences there is used first form of verb, because we are using helping verb did, which is second form of do and does, right? Do, second form is used, that's why we'll use first form of verb. For example, present indefinite, I ran, and negative will be I did not run. Clear? We ran, and negative will be we did not run. Next, you ran, you did not run. Now for interrogative, we will use did at the start of the sentence, and you will use first form of verb like this: did I run, did we run, did you run, did he or she run, did they run. Clear? Hope you understand. Now let's look on the second tense, which is past continuous tense. Helping verb is used was and were. This is very simple actions that we are continuing in the past, and उर्दू में इसकी पहचान ये है कि रही थी, रहा था, रहे थे, इस टाइप के सेंटेंसेस होते हैं। जैसे हम दौड़ रहे थे, और हम कोई भी काम कर रहे थे, मैं पढ़ा रही थी, I was teaching, I was writing, I was speaking, I was running. First form of verb is used in the past continuous tense. ing is used with the verb. Clear? This is very simple. First form is used and ing is used with the verb, and was and were is used in helping verb. Sorry. Examples are, for negative and interrogative, I was not running. Was I running? Helping verb is we put at the start of the sentence. Were, was and were at the start of the sentence. Were we running? Were we writing? Like this. Clear? Past next tense is past perfect tense. In the past perfect tense, second form is used and had helping verb is used, and it is used for the actions that completed or not completed at non-specific time, or the time we don't know about this, right? Not specific time. इन द पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस उर्दू में इसकी पहचान ये है कि चुका था, चुकी थी, चुके थे, इस टाइप के सेंटेंसेस आते हैं। जैसे हम काम कर चुके थे, वी हैव फिनिश्ड आवर वर्क। पास्ट परफेक्ट में भी सेकंड फॉर्म लगती है वर्ब की, ठीक है। और हेल्पिंग वर्ब क्या यूज़ होता है? हैड यूज़ होता है। जैसे देखिए, जैसे हम खाना खा चुके थे, अंधेरा होने से पहले हम घर नहीं पहुंच चुके थे। वी हैड नॉट रीच्ड होम बिफोर इट वॉज डार्क। वी हैड नॉट टेकन आवर मील्स बिफोर माई फ्रेंड केम। हैड and we had taken breakfast. Look on the examples. Sorry, I think यहाँ पे पहले have by mistake लिखा हुआ था present tense का previously. I have erased it now and do correction. We had finished. Helping verb is had is used with the past perfect tense. You must keep in your mind that helping verb is had is used, and second form of verb is used in past perfect tense, right? Again, I'm doing clear for you. Past perfect tense, had helping verb is used, second form is used, we had finished our work, we had taken breakfast, like this. And more examples are I had run, मैं दौड़ चुका था, we had run, you had run, and negative, I had not run, you had not run. Clear? Next sentence is past perfect continuous tense. For and since is used, and had been helping verb is used. Actions that started in the past and continued. हेल्प उर्दू में इसकी पहचान ये है कि रहा, रहे थे, रही थी, ठीक है। एंड एग्जाम्पल्स आर आई हैड बीन रनिंग फॉर एन आवर। More examples of past perfect tense is वो 3 घंटे तक जागते रहे थे। They had been lying awake for 3 hours. वो 2 घंटे से नहीं सो रहा था। He had not been sleeping for 2 hours. क्या तुम सुबह से अखबार पढ़ रहे थे? Had you been reading the newspaper since morning? Clear? Now let's have an overview of the tense, past tense. There are 4 types of past tense: past simple tense, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous tense. In past simple tense, helping verb did is used, and second form of verb is used. Actions in these uh, tenses is used when actions that started and finished in the past. I worked, I worked. Who came here? We did not waste our time, like this. And past continuous tense, was and were helping verb is used, and first form of verb is used. Ing is used with the first form of verb, and these tenses are used when the actions that were continuing in the past. For example, I was teaching, I was writing, I was speaking, I was eating. Clear? In past perfect tense, these tenses are not so commonly used in our daily life conversation. So some examples are: we had finished our work, second form of verb is used, helping verb had is used in the past perfect tense. And next example is we had taken breakfast. Next, past perfect continuous tense. For and since is used with these sentences. Had been helping verb is used, and these sentences are used with the actions that started in the past and continued. उर्दू में इसकी पहचान ये है रहे थे, रही थी. For example, I had been running for an hour. And next example is he had not been sleeping for 2 hours, or he had been writing for 2 hours. Clear? Past perfect continuous tense is used when the actions which is continuing right now, which is started in the past and continue. For example, they had been writing since 3 p.m. मीन्स उर्दू में आपने इसकी ये पहचान करनी है कि ये किसी भी मुकर्रर वक्त या मुकर्रर मुद्दत से शुरू हुए और कुछ अर्सा जारी रहते हैं, ठीक है, और उसके बाद ये ख़त्म हो जाता है. ऐसे एक्शंस के लिए हम पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस यूज़ करते हैं. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड द लेक्चर. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.